If you are looking for the best cat shampoo, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Curaseb Antifungal and AMP, Antibacterial Chlorhexidine Shampoo for Dog and AMP, Cats. Curaseb Antifungal and AMP, Antibacterial Chlorhexidine Shampoo is designed to treat conditions such as ringworm. It eliminates bacteria, yeast, and fungus and needs to be left on your cat for 10 minutes before rinsing off. It's manufactured in the USA, so you can be confident that it meets stringent quality and safety standards. It is really effective against conditions like ringworm and eczema, and that it smelt really good too. Some compared the scent to sweet cherries or strawberries. It's also a little cheaper than some other similar products. Number 2. Vet's Best Waterless Cat Bath, No Rinse Waterless Dry Shampoo for Cats. Vet's Best Dry Shampoo for Cats is a quick and easy spray shampoo option that you can use with cats from 12 weeks and older. You don't need to rinse the shampoo out of their fur, so it's perfect for cats who hate getting wet. You won't need to worry about leaving any harmful chemicals on your cat, either. This formula is designed and recommended by vets with gentle natural ingredients. Your cat may well lick the shampoo off, too, so the fact that it's made from natural and safe ingredients is especially important. Number 3. All Natural and AMP, Organic Oatmeal Puppy Pet Shampoo. If you're looking for a great cat shampoo that's sure to suit your cat, the Pro Pet Works All Natural Organic Oatmeal Pet Shampoo plus Conditioner is an excellent choice. It's made in the USA and recommended by vets. Its green credentials are top-notch, too. All Pro Pet's products are 100% biodegradable and made from recycled materials. The shampoo itself is non-toxic and non-alcoholic, with no animal byproducts. In fact, you can even use it on ferrets, rabbits, guinea pigs, and even horses. Number 4. Earthbath Oatmeal and AMP, Aloe Pet Shampoo. This all-natural pet shampoo is formulated from plant-based and organic ingredients that make it completely safe for your cat. The perfect blend of oatmeal and aloe vera used in it helps in combating skin irritation or itching, and also re-moisturize sensitive and dry skin. And the best thing to mention is, it is soap-free and safe but effective for sensitive skin as well. It is safe for all animals over 6 weeks. Number 5. Fresh and Clean Oatmeal and AMP, Baking Soda Shampoo. The Fresh and Clean Oatmeal and Baking Soda Shampoo is a perfect product especially if your pet has sensitive skin. It not only cleans the skin and fur but also soothes dry or irritating skin. After using it once for bathing your cat, it keeps her smelling fresh and clean for weeks. Besides cleaning and deodorizing the cat's body, it removes loose hair from the coat so that the least efforts and time is required in brushing and grooming your pet. It also conditions the cat's fur and makes them soft and shiny.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.